made it to St. Bernard. I'm meeting a couple guys from the club, Chris, Austin, and Michael, and it's cold and early, so we'll see what we can get into. Stay tuned. Yeah, what's going on? Pretty good. Any luck?
Caught a few fish earlier.
Just bass. It seems like a lot of bass.
Yeah, I caught a few reds early this morning.
Oh, nice. Oh. 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 They must be turning, man. I came around this bend and I hooked into one and I was fighting him for like 5 minutes and he got off.
Between the two that I hooked and got in, like when I started fighting, each time there was like 3 fish. Other ones spooked while other one was fighting, and they ran further in, but we couldn't find them. Like, dude, it's like the whole thing is like that deep.
That's crazy. Well, when this red got off, my next cast I hooked another one
Before I caught back
and
up,
he got off.
Yeah, I called up to Austin before he went into that cut, and he said he had just lost a big, like, one he thought was probably close to 30.
It's crazy. Yeah, they're definitely, I think, turning on.
Three bass.
Mm. Got him. Man, if this is the 3rd time I got this guy. I think I made a mistake here. I didn't realize I was recording and I turned the camera off. It's been kind of a grind, but I got a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bass. And 1 trout. I don't know how much battery I have left, so we'll see what I can do. So I got a few video clips, but it definitely wasn't perfect. I only brought 1 battery pack just because I guess I didn't want to have to worry about a bunch of tiny pieces in the kayak with everything else going on. And I missed a lot of video clips that I should have had. So because of that, I'm going back. And this time I'm bringing 3 batteries. So will be no nonsense going on. And last week it was 50 degrees or something when I got on the water. It was pretty cold, and it's gonna be like 70 tomorrow. So should be a lot different. And this might rain a little bit. The wind might be a little bit, you know, stronger, but as long as there's clean water, I think we can get on them. And I'm determined to get on some trout. So stay tuned. We're gonna have another good video, and before this crazy cold front after the weekend is supposed to get down to like 30s, high 20s. So the fish ain't gonna be right after that. So this is it, now or never. All right, y'all, see you on the water.